I'm outraged by what the city of Seattle has done. They've put my privacy rights in the trash.
We have always been very strong defenders of the environment, but this is the wrong way to go about it.
In Seattle, a new law forbids residents and businesses from throwing food in the trash. To enforce the law, trash collectors snoop through people's garbage, and if more than 10% is made up of food and recyclables, then you receive an educational tag, announcing to all the world that you're a lawbreaker. And in 2016, the city will begin imposing fines.
To use a law like this to make ordinary citizens feel like villains, to have our privacy trampled on, is very counterproductive. What about our due process? This doesn't seem like an America that I know.
We don't want a law that allows for sweeping surveillance of me and my neighbors. You know, what's next? Is it going to be collection of our data through smart meters, which we already know that's going to happen? This isn't the Seattle that I chose to live in, and we need to, first and foremost, respect individual rights, including privacy rights.
Although the city of Seattle has decided to suspend their fines for now, that's not really the point. The point is they can still tag us for being in violation, and we need to stick together with PLF to challenge this in court.
The Washington State Constitution says no person shall be disturbed in his private affairs or his home invaded without authority of law. That means that the government cannot intrude upon private matters without a warrant, and Washington courts have traditionally applied that requirement to police searches of trash cans.
It's insane that we've come to a time where government actually feels like it has the right to go through people's trash so that they can achieve some social objective with dubious benefits to it. I think that it's time to be a little bit fearful, and I'm not the most paranoid person in the world, but we absolutely cannot allow the government to have that kind of impact on our lives.
This law makes trash collectors the judges and juries. You're at the mercy of their off-the-cuff estimates about how much food you've thrown away in the garbage. And if their hunch goes against you, you get a colorful shame tag to embarrass you in front of your neighbors. The people of Seattle deserves a city government that respects their constitutional rights.
The issue is really not about composting in and of itself, which we in fact support. The issue is about force and coercion and being forced to do something and to be fined if you don't care to do it.
It is a sign of things to come. If they can get away with this, they will do something else more extreme. And not just about garbage, it's about a whole host of issues. This is just one prong of the things the city is cooking up or has cooked up to socially engineer our behavior.
The people of Seattle should not be treated with less respect than what's due to accused criminals. The state constitution guarantees them a right to be treated fairly and with due process, and our lawsuit seeks to uphold that right.